Jason.
Attention. Do you think it is possible to control somebody's attention, or maybe the behavior perhaps? You're probably thinking about a superpower, something that you can mind control. But in reality, the word I want to convey here is misdirection, a magician's best friend. It is the art of attracting your attention from one place to the other. But the thing is, why is it that we're always fooled by this? I would like you to do me a favor. How many of you here have got your cell phones on you right now? Cell phones? Just raise your hands so I can see. Alright, most of you have your cell phones on you. I would like to ask you another favor. Try and remember for me, just picture it in your mind. You always use your cell phone about 3 to 5 times a day. So you check your phones that many times. So I want you to picture for me the icon you have on your left-hand corner, the application you have on your left-hand corner. Just try and picture it. Do you have it? And do you want to check your phones if you got it right? Just check your phones if you have it right. If you have it right, just raise your hands so I can see. Anyone? Got it right? One, two people got it right. Interesting, isn't it? So I want to ask another question. You just looked at your phone. So no matter how many times you change your applications a day, there's always one thing every phone has in common. That is the time and date. When you unlocked your phone just now, you saw the time. Do you remember the time you saw? If you do, just raise your hands. No? No one? No? Interesting, isn't it? When I talk about misdirection, we usually think about something that happens very far at the end. But it's usually the things that happen right in front of us. It's the everyday objects we see that we're blinded to. Some of you might not understand the example I had just now, so I'm going to give you another one. Imagine me, 5 years into marriage, and I don't love my wife anymore. And I like this other girl, this other lady. She's in the office, 60, young office lady. I think, wow. But how can I tell my wife I don't love her anymore? That's the problem. Should I just go up to her and say, hey, honey, I don't love you anymore. We should have a divorce. No. She's going to give me a slap in the face. And no, I don't want to slap in the face. So here's the thing, what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy her gifts and lots of presents. I'm going to throw in some LV bags, shoes maybe. And she's going to forget all about the things I'm going to do the next few weeks. You probably think I'm a jack, as a jerk. But somewhere in this earth there is lots of ladies and wives that are actually doing the same thing. Attention. They leave their husbands to walk to work with the finest breakfast and with a kiss on the cheek. But 1 hour later, she's running over to having an affair with the most famous celebrities. Brad Pitt, Chris Evans, Johnny Depp, all these hot celebrities. The poor man going off to work comes home thinking, oh gosh, my wife loves me so much. I work 12 hours a day. I'm just going to go home and see her. He finds a wife at home, so satisfied about the day. I think she loves me. But who am I kidding? I can't even find one girlfriend. How am I supposed to get two? Maybe attention, these things don't happen to you every day. But here's the thing that happens to you, that happens to every one of us. That is media. Most of you should know this news. A couple of months ago in Taiwan, there was a military man a person that served in the military, soldier. He died because of some tragic events that happened inside the military. But this is the thing, every year things like this happen. But why is it that when this thing happens, the whole country just screams about it? Do you know why? It's because the man that died, his uncle had great relations with the politicians and the media. So he could gather these informations and spread it out very fast. I think it was 1 day to 2 days that CNN had the news, but attention creates the whole media. It creates your world. It's a very powerful thing because attention shapes your entire reality. I pose one final question for all of us. If you were able to control attention, what would you do with it? Thank you. Back to you.